Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. I had told about retail marketing in the previous video. In this video, we will know what is the importance of retail marketing. If you have not seen part 1 video, then please must watch it. Video link is in the description box, so don't forget to watch that video. So let's get started. Retail marketing is of paramount importance for several reasons. First one is customer attraction. Effective retail marketing strategies help retailers capture the attention of potential customers, driving foot traffic to physical stores or online traffic to websites and e-commerce platforms. Second one is brand visibility. Retail marketing efforts enhance brand recognition and visibility, making it easier for customers to identify and trust a retail brand. A strong brand can differentiate a retailer in a crowded marketplace. Third one is sales growth. By employing marketing tactics such as promotions, advertising, and pricing strategies, retailers can significantly boost their sales and revenue. Fourth one is customer engagement. Retail marketing is instrumental in establishing and nourishing relationships with customers. Engaging marketing campaigns, personalized experiences, and exceptional customer service create loyal and satisfied customers. Next one is product promotion. Retail marketing helps promote new products, seasonal offerings, or clearance items, driving sales and reducing inventory. Market insights. Through market research and data analysis, retail marketing provides valuable insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. Retailers can use this information to adapt and refine their strategies. Customer experience. Retail marketing can shape the overall shopping experience, creating a positive and memorable experience for customers leads to repeat businesses and positive word of mouth recommendations. Competitive edge. In a competitive market, effective marketing strategies give retailers a competitive advantage. They can stand out, appeal to a broader audience, and outperform competitors. Profitability. Through strategic pricing and promotion, retailers can optimize profitability while meeting customer expectations, striking a balance between value and cost. Last one is adaptability. Retail marketing is not static. It evolves with changes in consumer behavior, technology, and market trends. Retailers that stay attuned to these shifts can adjust their strategies to remain relevant and successful. So overall, friends, we can say that retail marketing is a pivotal for attracting, retaining, and satisfying customers, which are fundamental to a retailer's long-term success and growth in a competitive marketplace. It plays a crucial role in driving sales, building brand reputation, and adapting to changing consumer needs and preferences. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching, friends, and have a good day.